It's me, Miss You, and now we're going to work on the slider mate. This is going to be needed for our next activity. So we're going to create a new document, call it slider mate, and your initials. And we're going to go OK. You could also create a new tab in your other document. And we're going to create two parts. One we're going to do with the top view. We're going to sketch a corner rectangle. Okay. And I'm going to call it 1 by 2. We're going to dimension it, or we'll do actually 2 by 3. Okay, we're going to create a circle in the middle. And that circle is going to have a diameter of 1. Okay. And we're going to place it, I'd like to place it in the middle, or let's place it 1.5 inches from the wall. So you always have to be fully dimensioned, otherwise you end up with errors further down. A few people found that out the hard way. So we're at 1.5 inches from one wall, and we'll go 1 inch from the other wall. Now I'm going to extrude, and we're going to extrude 1 inch. Okay, so our part is done. Next, I'm going to do another part. Okay, and let me get my part. I'm going to go plus, create part. Okay. And I think I'll also do it on the front view. It doesn't really matter, or the top view. Here it is. I'm going to do a circle. Basically, I'm doing a peg. Let me go sketch, center circle, and let me do it. Okay, let me dimension it. Okay, and we're going to dimension it to 1. Okay, so without tolerances, one should go inside the other. I'm going to select it. I'm going to extrude it. And I'm going to extrude it 3 inches. I'm going to go check. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out a piece of it so I could, from the top, so I could tell that it is revolving. So I'm going to go sketch from the top. I'm going to do a center rectangle. I always like to do rectangles. I find it an easy shape to work with. Okay, here we go, and I'm going to extrude it. And I'm going to extrude it. The depth of 1 inch is fine. And I'm going to remove. I could also add, and I'm going to go check. Okay, so it should be very clear when we are revolving. Next, I'm going to do the part assembly. I'm going to insert the 2 pieces, make it smaller. I'm going to there, and I'm going insert the other piece. There. And now I'm going to select Slider Mate, and we should be Cylindrical Mate, and now we should be able to see 2 degrees of rotation. Okay. My first mate connector is going to be, I want to see there, the center. The next one I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do the bottom face. Okay. I'm going to go check just to take a look, or actually it does not look like it's completely in the middle. There it is. I changed the direction and it seemed to work. I'm going to go check. Let me look at the isometric view. Looks good. And let's see it go up and down. And I also want to turn it. One of the things I forgot to do was to fix the base, to fix the slot. So I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to go fix. So now it will be easier to manipulate. I'm going up and I'm going around.